Hi everyone, here we've got ASUS ZenFone 8 Flip, and let me share with you how to change the ringtone on this device. So firstly, let's enter the settings, and here we have to tap on sound and vibration, which is on the 4th position. Now let's scroll down, and as you can see here, we've got a whole sound section in which we've got the ringtones. We can change the ringtone for calls, for the alarms and notifications. Let me show you how to do it using phone ringtone. Just tap on it. Here you can also choose for which SIM card you would like to change the ringtone. So here we've got divided both options. Let me pick the first one. It doesn't really matter right now. And as you can see, we've been transferred to the full list of all available defaultly installed ringtones from which we can choose. What's more, in the right upper corner we've got this plus icon, and after tapping on it we'll be transferred to our own files, and we will be able to pick some and set as a ringtone, for example, if you will have some ringtones downloaded. But let me get back to this list, and in order to listen how the particular one sounds, in order to check it, just tap on it. And you will be able to hear it, to decide if you like it or not. And if you are happy with your choice, all you have to do is simply make sure that the option you would like to use is marked and get back. And as you can see, it is immediately notified right here that from now on your device will use the chosen ringtone in order to notify you about any incoming calls. Obviously, the same situation will be with alarms and sounds. All you have to do is simply tap on it. Here we've got the list, here we've got the plus icon. What's more, in the notification we've got the option none. So after choosing it, your device won't notify you about any notifications. So actually this is it. This is how to change the ringtone in your ASUS ZenFone 8 Flip. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.